Spectrum business modems sometimes need a reset to resolve connectivity issues, slow speeds, or minor glitches. There are two main types of resets, a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot, also called a soft reset, is like restarting your computer. It clears temporary memory without erasing your settings. To reboot, simply unplug the modem's power cord for 30 to 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for it to fully restart. Solid green lights indicate it's ready. This is your first troubleshooting step for intermittent drops. A factory reset, or hard reset, restores the modem to its original settings, erasing any custom configurations like Wi-Fi passwords or port forwarding rules. To perform a factory reset, either press and hold the reset button on the back of the modem for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash, or access the modem's admin panel at 192.168.1.1 and navigate to the factory reset option. After a factory reset, you'll need to reconfigure the modem using the MySpectrum app or website. Always try a reboot first, as it's less disruptive. Let's walk through the reset process. For a reboot, 1. Unplug the power cord. 2. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. 3. Plug it back in. 4. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for the modem to restart, checking for solid green lights. For a factory reset, 1. Locate the reset button on the back of the modem. 2. Press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. Alternatively, access the admin panel via a web browser. 3. Navigate to the factory reset option and confirm. Important, back up any custom configurations before a factory reset. Also, Spectrum now offers smart reset features in their app, using AI to automate reboots based on usage patterns. Post-reset, ensure your security is up to date. A recent lawsuit alleges excessive modem leasing fees, so consider third-party modems, like the Netgear Nighthawk RS700S, that Spectrum has certified for use. Resetting is often the first line of defense for business continuity and network issues. In September 2025, a widespread Spectrum glitch caused many users to reboot their devices to resolve the issue.